Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just got back from the APA show in Las Vegas, and I learned some things from some people, so I thought I'd share them with you. When you have a Docker open and you want another Docker to round these corners off, instead of going to Windows, Dockers, and then checking corners, you can always go right here and just add a plus sign. It's going to give you all your Dockers, and you can check them and uncheck them. Like, I don't want the object manager anymore. So now I've just got my corner radius. And while we're going to do this, I thought I'd show you, if you want that corner rounded 2 inches, just hit apply. Grab that one, apply. And I've gone over this before, but let's just start from scratch with this because it's not that big a deal about the Dockers. But if you take 2 rectangles and you go like that and then you weld them, you can grab the shape tool and select the 2 nodes you want to round. Let's just back up here. Let's say let's do this. Let's select them all, and then holding down the shift key, unselect these 2 and then round them. It's a little bit bigger than the object will allow, so let's do it to just 1 inch and hit apply. So this way I only rounded the outside and did not round the inside. So you could go right here to this plus sign, and you can grab your text Docker, your join curves Docker, and when you don't want them anymore, all you have to do is hit that X. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.